Hercules 5. It is the evolution of the Hercules product line, designed to meet the lifting, rotation and tilting requirements of large and heavy elements, up to 5 tons. Each element of this machine is therefore designed and sized to achieve the highest performances required. Hercules 5 allows you to perform welding or assembly operations in the best working position and in complete safety. It offers maximum ergonomics for optimal handling of the pieces. Improving the processing cycle means reducing times and costs. The operator, after having easily positioned the piece on the welding table thanks to the special T-slots, can remotely start the process with a pedal control, being able to adjust the rotation speed of the table. The main strengths of Bowman, which is applied in all its products, are safety and reliability. A special sensor system continuously detects the positioning of the load and its movement, preventing imbalance and possible impacts with the floor, and ensuring the safety of operators. The positioner is equipped with a double reducer and brake on the AB axis. The redundancy of sensors and components guarantees system stability and absolute safety even in the event of breakage. A second ring nut on the jack guarantees the tightness of the system even if the first one breaks. The positioner is also equipped with a sensor that signals the wear of the ring nut on the control panel. The screw and jack mechanical unit is also equipped with a mechanical lubricator to preserve its integrity and extend its life. The need to refill the grease container is indicated by a warning on the control panel. To speed up the welding process and avoid hindering the welder, the positioner is equipped with an integrated connection of the negative pole of the welding machine, with standard current passage 330 ampere. Each machine is accompanied by a complete and detailed EC use and maintenance manual. The installation is performed by our specialized staff. Bowman, the best choice.